Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to link multiple boards in Monday.com to share data, sync updates, and manage projects more efficiently, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Open the main board. Start with the board where you want to display or connect information from another board. Step 2. Add a Connect Boards column. Click plus Add Column, then choose Connect Boards. Select the board you want to link. This creates a connection between items in both boards. Step 3. Link the items. Inside the Connect Boards column, click a cell and choose items from the other board. This connects related tasks or records. Step 4. Add a mirror column. To display data from the connected board, click plus Add Column, then choose Mirror. Select the connected board and the specific column you want to mirror, like status or date. Step 5. Sync updates automatically. When the original item changes, the mirrored data updates in real time. This keeps boards aligned without manual work. Step 6. Use automations across boards. Go to automations and create cross-board rules like when status changes on this board implies create item in connected board. Step 7. Manage permissions. Make sure users have access to both boards. Without permission, they won't see linked items. Step 8. Organize board structure. Use linking for high-level dashboards, client tracking, or project phases to keep workflows structured. Linking boards allows data sharing, real-time syncing, and cross-board automations, making project management much more powerful. Follow these steps and you'll have multiple boards connected smoothly in Monday.com. See you in the next guide.